Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the updated process of accessing your invitations page on LinkedIn using your PC. LinkedIn has recently made some changes to its interface, so let's navigate through the new layout together to ensure you don't miss any important connections or opportunities. First, open your web browser and go to LinkedIn's website, which is simply linkedin.com. Once the page loads, make sure you are logged into your account with your username and password. After logging in, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find several icons. Look for the My Network icon. It's typically located near the center of the menu bar. This icon is your gateway to managing your connections and invitations. Click on the My Network icon to proceed. Clicking this directs you to a page where you can manage your connections and see invitations. Once you're on the My Network page, look for a button labeled Grow. This button is your key to accessing the invitations page in the new LinkedIn layout. Click on Grow, and you'll be able to see all your pending invitations, people you may know, and other suggestions for expanding your network. If you are a super or content admin, you can grow your follower base by inviting your first-degree connections to follow your page. From this page, you can review and respond to each invitation individually. You can choose to accept invitations from people you know or who align with your professional interests, or you can decline invitations that don't seem relevant. Take your time to carefully consider each invitation to ensure you're building a valuable and meaningful network. Also, from the My Network page, you can invite connections to follow your LinkedIn page. As a super or content admin, you can grow your follower base by inviting your first-degree connections to follow your page. The invitation will include your name, so members know who sent the invite. LinkedIn recommends that you only send page invitations to connections who are likely to be interested in your page, and that's it. You've successfully accessed your invitations page on LinkedIn using the new update. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your invitations, grow your network, and stay connected with professionals in your industry. Remember to regularly check your invitations page to ensure you don't miss any important opportunities or connections. Staying active and engaged on LinkedIn is a great way to expand your professional network and advance your career.